Do you ever look at properties online and think, man, that home needs work? Well, not this home. This house is move-in ready and I can't wait to showcase it to you. Let's go and take a look. What I love about this property is the open floor plan. You have a huge living room with feature stone fireplace, but also an abundance of storage and an absolutely amazing kitchen. One of the small but unique features about this property are the accent walls that are featured throughout the home. Taken away from the builder grade that a lot of people are used to, it's a small feature but makes a big difference. The location of this property is absolutely ideal. You are half a mile away from Preston Road, a mile away from Dallas North Tollway, which gives you great access into the bigger cities like Frisco and Dallas. Not only that, but you're less than a mile away from the newly renovated Old Celina City Park.